In a quiet village, there lived a man named Ahmed. Ahmed was a hard worker. Every morning, he went to his field early. He fixed fences. He planted seeds. But his heart was not calm. Years ago, Ahmed lost his brother. His brother's name was Rafi.
One day, a strong windstorm came. The wind was loud and scary.
Please do not travel today. But Rafi did not listen. He believed he would be safe. That night, Rafi did not return. The storm took him away. After that day, Ahmed blamed himself. He felt deep sadness. He said, "I should have stopped my brother." The wind became Ahmad's enemy. He hated its sound. When the wind blew, Ahmed felt angry. His heart felt heavy. Ahmed built tall fences and strong walls. He tried to stop the wind. The walls blocked the sunlight. The air stopped moving. But the wind never stopped. It always came back. Slowly, Ahmed's field stopped growing. The plants became weak. The villagers saw Ahmad had changed. He no longer smiled.
One day, an old woman came. She was a traveler.
She asked Ahmad for water. Ahmed gave her a cup. The wind blew strongly that day. Ahmed looked angry. "I hate the wind," Ahmad said. "It only destroys things." The old woman looked at Ahmad. She spoke softly.
"The wind brings seeds," she said. "It helps life grow."
Ahmed did not reply. But he remembered her words. That night, Ahmed could not sleep. He heard the wind outside. The wind was quiet. It was not angry. The next morning, Ahmad went to his field. He saw something new. The wind brought the seeds. New life had started.
Small green plants were growing near the broken fence.
Ahmed did not fix the fence. He let the wind pass.
Days passed. The plants grew taller.
Ahmed started to understand. The wind was not his enemy. One evening, Ahmed spoke quietly. He spoke to Rafi in his heart. "I tried to stop life," he said, "but I stopped myself." Tears fell to the ground. His heart felt lighter.
Ahmed removed the heavy walls. Fresh air moved again.
His field became green. The crops grew strong.
Ahmed still remembered Rafi. But guilt did not control him. "I learned to live with the wind." not fight it. Ahmed felt peace. He whispered, "I let you go." We all feel pain from the past, mistakes and loss.
The past cannot change, but we can change today. Do not fight yesterday. Learn from it.
Let go of guilt. Move forward with life. Subscribe to English in 1 minute for more stories like this.